Good morning, children. Today, here we will discuss, in brief, a small segment of socialism in Russia. Here we will see what was happening in the villages and in the, you can say, cities. So, socialism in Russia. Children, I want to tell you that while you are taking these video and listening these video, please have your book with you. Sometimes they can be blurred. I'm trying my best to make it clear because of network. Sometimes you can find them blur. So no worry about it because I'm using good techniques while making these videos. But after that, if you are getting them blur, so please only try to listen the voice and match the words with your my voice with the book. So socialism Russia, basically we'll discuss here the two parties which have been formed in Russia, and they were basically on the basis of population, the rural population and the urban population. So let's see, all political parties were legal in Russia before 1940s. इलीगल, सॉरी, लीगल नहीं, इलीगल। 1914 से पहले कोई भी वहाँ पार्टी नहीं बना सकता था। तो द रूरल सोशल डेमोक्रेटिक वर्कर पार्टी वाज फाउंडेड इन 1898 बाय socialists who respected Marx ideas. So when you can say his book was popular, Das Capital, so particularly to see that different people were making the party, and one of the party was Social Democratic Worker Parties, SDWP. Here I can write SDWP. So however, because of government policing, it had to operate an illegal organization. It set up as a newspaper, mobilized workers, and organized strikes. Some Russian socialists felt that Russian peasants' custom dividing the land periodically made them natural socialists. So peasants, not workers would be the main force of the revolution. अब यहाँ पर क्या कहा गया है कि पीजेंट्स को तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, उनका तो ठीक चल रहा था, बट इफ वी से अबाउट द वर्कर्स, so they were the part of this revolution, and Russia could become socialist more quickly than other countries. So because of that, Russia became more, you can say, socialist, and socialists were active in countryside. तो थ्रू द लेट 19th सेंचुरी, मतलब लेट 19th सेंचुरी में वहाँ पर गांव में जो थे वो वर्कर्स एक्टिव हुए, एंड दे फॉर्म द सोशल रिवोल्यूशनरी पार्टी इन 1900, एंड दिस पार्टी स्ट्रगल द पीजेंट्स राइट्स एंड डिमांडेड द लैंड बिलोंगिंग टू नोबल्स बी ट्रांसफर टू द पीजेंट्स। तो दिस पार्टी स्ट्रगल पीजेंट्स ने पीजेंट्स के लिए स्ट्रगल किया, तो उनकी राइट्स एंड डिमांड्स क्या थे? लैंड बिलोंगिंग टू द नोबल्स ट्रांसफर टू पीजेंट्स, कि उनकी लैंड उनको वापस मिले। सो द social democrats disagreed with socialist revolutionaries about the peasants. Lenin felt that peasants were not one united group, and some were poor and other was rich. Because it happens when one kind of people are there, so it is easy to make them unite. But when there is a difference among the people, you can say the group, so it can be not easy. So some were poor and rich, like they in the villages, some workers as laborers, while others were capitalists and employed workers. Given this differentiation with them, they could not be all the part of socialist movement. So Lenin, Vladimir, who thought about this, कि जो उनका लीडर था, उसने ये सोचा ऐसा यहाँ पर होगा तो ये कभी भी इस रेवोल्यूशनर को सक्सेस नहीं मिल सकती. So the party was divided into the strategy of organization. Vladimir Lenin, who led the Bolshevik group, and through that the repressive society like Tsarist Russia was the party should be disciplined and should control the number of quality of its member. Now here try to understand. So to see the condition of the society, the urban society, the rural society. It means he became the leader and he thought that it should be divided into two parts. That thought the repressive society, like एक तो थी जो जार के अत्याचारों से परेशान थी, ठीक है, वो वाली सोसाइटी थी. द पार्टी शुड बी डिसिप्लिन and not control the number of quality of its member and control the number of its member. Another is that Menshevik thought that the party should be open to all in Germany. और दूसरी थी Menshevik जो controlled नहीं थी. So here we saw two kind of parties formed by the Social Democratic Party in Russia. ठीक है, ये पार्टी से दो पार्टीज निकल कर आती है. एक है आपकी बॉल्शेविक जिसका लीडर आपको थे व्लादिमीर लेनिन, और दूसरी आपकी है मेंशेविक पार्टी जो कि मतलब विलेज में ही पॉपुलर रही, वहीं पे उन्हीं के लीडर्स रहे. सो टिल हेयर वी डिस्कस्ड, and for the next segment we discuss the revolution of 1905. Okay, till then, bye bye.